Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing a simple but very tasty Atta Aloo Nashta, a crispy flavorful snack made with atta and spiced potatoes, perfect for breakfast, tea time or kids lunchbox. Let's start by preparing the dough. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Atta provides fiber, making the snack more filling. Add 1/3 cup water and make soft dough. Do not make the dough too soft. Medium firmness makes crispier nashta. Rub some oil and keep aside. Now for the filling. Take 2 boiled mashed potatoes, add 1 tablespoon onion, 1 chopped green chili, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Potatoes give natural energy, perfect for kids. Homemade spices help digestion and enhance flavor naturally. Now take some dough and roll it out. Spread the potato mixture evenly. Spread the potato mixture thinly for even frying. Cut into long strips. And roll as shown. Press gently to shape. Press the rolls gently to avoid opening while frying. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Minimal oil makes it a healthier alternative to deep fried snacks. Place the rolls. Fry on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Potatoes are one of the oldest comfort foods across the world. Rolling and cutting into strips gives a bakery-style layered texture. This snack can be shaped in multiple fun designs, spiral, rolls or triangles. Keep the heat medium. High heat may burn the outside. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Your Atta Aloo Nashta is ready to enjoy. Atta snacks stay crisp longer because whole wheat absorb heat slowly. A quick, crispy and comforting Atta Aloo Nashta, perfect for anytime hunger. Try it once and it will surely become a family favorite. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and comment.